Did you just have eye surgery and they sent you home with one of these, but zero instructions on how to use it? In today's video, I'm going to show you how. I'm Dr. Thomas Vo. I'm a board-certified ophthalmologist. So to orient the eye shield, there's a pointed edge and then a round edge. The pointed edge is going to go over your brow area, and then the round smooth edge is going to go along the side of your face. And so it should be oriented just like this. Now, using the roll of tape that they gave you, hopefully the paper kind, this is a lot more gentle on the skin. You only need 2 pieces of tape to fix the eye shield to your face. I'm going to show you how. And the pieces of tape don't need to be that long. And so we will put one here. And I'm going to get one more. We will put one more like so. And again, the important thing is to keep the center clear. You want to be able to see while wearing the eye shield. And so to fix this on, we'll go ahead and hold this and then tape it. Okay. And just like that. That's pretty much it. I'm going to show you again with the other eye shield. It's possible that you may have one like this. Orientation is similar. You want the 2 kind of tapered ends to go over the eye like this. And so I'll show you one more time with this one. Again, you just need 2 pieces of tape. They don't need to be that long. We'll put one here. And get one more. We'll put one here like so. Let's adjust this one a little bit. Okay, let's try that. Okay, and there. It should be pretty secure, okay? Again, you only really need to wear this while you're sleeping for about a week after surgery, and so during the daytime, you really shouldn't be needing the eye shield. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. Please also drop a comment down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.